Hindi ko maglong. Chris Aquino?
Ay, tiil siya.
Okay.
Wala
Yes.
ko kay balong. Bili ko sweet ko. Pangita na katong wala mo lang katong itong bitaw. Itong iserbanan kita kire.
Ha?
Cancer.
Cancer. Parehas siyang mama. Bukog prostate. Prostate. Yes. That's why we are for the last time. Why did you ask me where I have been? Cause you're late.
Nabilang na.
Cause you're late, Rambo.
45. Ma, mura ni. Nagbuntang.
Bigyan mo 45 bila size.
My size.
Oh, kuan ni tong
It's my money, Rambo. It is my money left. I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pesos. I'm always on time, Karen. Okay. I only have 9 pesos here. Because I don't gambling. And I don't have a fare for tomorrow.
pagkuan simple.
Wow, you're rich. No, I'm broke. I'm broke, not rich. I'm broke.
Pero taklobi niyo ng sudan. Ano kung sa mga pagkuha na.
Ay, may kainit pa, may.
Pangawan yan eh. Pangawan ba?
Kay para dili makuan ba mapans. I'm so terrible. I'm so sleepy and I only have 9 pesos. Look at that. I only have 9 pesos. I'm already broke. One. What are you gonna spend your money on? A new car, washing machine? A new house. I want to buy a washing machine, but how should I pay if I only have 9 pesos? I want to have a washing machine because I want to do laundry. Not manually, but in washing machine. How much did it cost? I think it's 8 to 9,000 peso. Should cost $100 and 100 bucks for a simple washing machine. I think it's around I think it's around 15 $, because the peso now is 57, so it goes $15. $15 US.